Hey Amy, I just got done looking through your unit, and I'm just blown away. So so let me focus on some things first before I just kind of give like an ample amount of praise. So you wanted feedback on like the ease of students being able to go through. So I'm on your Google Classroom here. I think it'll be very easy for them to follow and navigate on their own. And I know that you had said that this would be like mine too, where all of these tasks are not going to be like open all at once. So, but I think once you keep uploading them, I think the students will be able to follow everything very clearly. Your instructions are very student friendly, very clear, very easy to understand. Um, and yeah, so I don't think they'll have any problem navigating through both your classroom and the site. Um, so that was one of your concerns, or what you wanted us to focus on. But also, I loved when you did these little tidbits for myself and Michael, so that way we can follow along. But so anyway, yeah, your unit, I think will win over like every student if they're not even a huge fan of science. I think you will win them over. You have such a variety of activities, as I have said numerous times. Um, the engagement for this is going to be incredibly high. A thought that actually came through my head was, I wish I had a science teacher that was as dedicated as you are to your students in the subject matter. But no, you have such a variety of activities, you have a variety of assessments, you have a variety of ways for students to reflect upon their learning. I mean, it is so awesome to go through all this and see. And then, your Google site is very well laid out as well. It looks so like professional looking. And I don't think they'll have any problems navigating through the different things on here. I saw your rich media video there. I think you've done such a bang up job. I really do. I just feel like I'm kind of repeating myself over and over again of how awesome this whole unit is. I think you've done such a fantastic job creating everything. And I think really the students are going to love learning science, whether they aren't really a fan of it or not. I think they're going to love this unit. So great work. I honestly do not have anything to suggest for improvement. I think it is spot on, exactly what you wanted to do with like your design document, hitting all those standards. Again, great work, Amy. Thanks.